How do you get your own internet server? Joseph Newcomer says, get a computer. Hook it to the internet. Install Apache or some similar web server on it. Get a static IP from your ISP, they want money for this. Get a domain name. Get DNS to map it to your IP. Make sure you are prepared to deflect all attempts to hack your server, and ensure that if it is hacked, you will be able to recover. Spend a fair amount of time each day dealing with the security of your server. Or, get a cheap domain hosting service to host your server. Pay them a small number of dollars per month. Let them handle all the problems. I chose the second solution. Dennis Munger says, wow. If you can't be more specific, I don't know where to start. You need a server with an OS. You need to install and turn on an HTTP interpreter. You need a synchronous internet service, same speed upload, download, and a contract allowing a proper volume of data. You need a router with firewall feature that will route inbound traffic to your server private IP and port. You will need a web page program. Are you really asking how to all the question above? A web page service is more appropriate for newbies. Richard Morris says, you have 3 options. 1. Roll your own server, connect to ISP. 2. Rent a host from a web hosting service, GoDaddy, Bluehost, etc. 3. Lease a cloud server, Azure, AWS, etc. For home, personal use. Number 2. The low-cost option for a home brew rig. Thank you for watching our video on how do you get your own internet server.